Good morning, guys. Market is open. I'm looking at crude oil right here. Still bouncing in the same range we saw yesterday. Getting a bid now at support. I'm trying to figure out what's up with my webcam. I've had more technical difficulties this morning. My webcam's acting like it's not even plugged in, no light or anything. No need to fear, though, because Trader Roshi has two webcams. Whoop, whoop. So let me just move this new one over. Let me move my 1080 where it needs to go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Woo, I'll tell y'all what. I've been up for 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, I have made an Americano, gotten dressed, taken my trash to the road because a trash truck comes today. All that in 20 minutes. Very impressed with myself this morning. Very tired. All right. All right. How'd you guys like that new intro screen? I stayed up late last night working on intro screen. I got a pause screen too for when I have to walk away. So here's the pause screen, and then over here on the right, that's just a chat. That's all that is. But all right, crude oil kind of being a little weak right now. Currently at 96.09. I just got the alert. NASDAQ new session low 14,440. Looks like NASDAQ about to make new lows. Let's flip over. You see here on Bookmap. A lot of liquidity right here is the low for the session. I'm going to flip over to NASDAQ. Doesn't look like crude is doing much right now. So let's flip over to micro NASDAQ and check that out. So yeah, definitely some heavy selling. So we can see NASDAQ breaking down there on Bookmap. I have the candlestick chart pulled out right here. So yesterday we finished slightly positive on the day. I could see this yesterday's close or yesterday's candle on the daily being a reversal. But of course, we have to wait and see. That's just kind of what my forward thinking is. I'm thinking that could be a reversal. We might end up higher, but might not be. You guys see how dark it got? My computer screen's been flashing. I came down here this morning, had to restart my computer. It was like the error audio feedback. There goes my screen again. The error audio feedback that Windows gives, it was just repeatedly doing that this morning. So I had to restart my entire computer. Now my screen is going in and out. If you've been around for a minute, you know that technical difficulties are a feature of my stream. So more technical difficulties. It is Friday, guys. It is Friday, and I am so ready for this weekend. Let me tell y'all. Alright, just more consolidation. Crude still not doing anything so far. NASDAQ testing 14,400 right now. Still not seeing anything and crude worth taking just yet. I'm listening to Pierce the Veil this morning. I was considering a short. Look, here's prior session low from the day before yesterday. Could be a good traction area. Could see some buyers come in, some shorts get covered right here. But if not, we do have this support level, just 10 points below this area. So this area might not act as too much right now with this big support being here. And that's coming up on early March support. Let's see if I can add some text. Early March. Okay. There we go. There you go. Early March. Might be able to move it over here. How's that look? How's that? I don't know if that's across everything would look. Yeah, just on a daily. Let's do all charts. Well, I don't really like it that much right there. Yes, listening to Pierce Savelle this morning. Got it real low, so it's not too noisy. I can still focus and concentrate. I tell y'all what. Ooh, I'm sleepy. Yeah, for some reason my 1080 webcam light isn't even coming on. It's weird. Never had that issue before, but I'll just have to figure it out. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little. That's all I can zoom in. So, let's see. I think I mentioned yesterday I had that leaking dishwasher, and it leaked through the first floor ceiling. So it's on the second floor. It leaked through the first floor, and it was leaking just right over there. Cause I'm in the den, so laundry room is literally right there. And yeah, I spent a few hours yesterday working on it. So I went and bought a new drainage hose. I put the new drainage hose on there, and we went to test it, and of course the power cable came disconnected from the actual dishwasher, so nothing was working. We were like, please no. I hope this dishwasher didn't get zapped. We've only had it a year. I don't even know if we've had it a year yet. But so I had to pull the dishwasher back out, go to the cables, and I hate electricity. And but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I had to disconnect the dishwasher, redo the cables together. I have waterproof wire nuts that I put on there. So they were all sticky. All the cables are sticky and shit. All my tools got sticky. But yeah, so it took me a few hours yesterday, but I finally got my dishwasher working properly. Thank goodness. And what else? There's something else. Oh, yeah, let's see. I worked on a bunch of streaming stuff yesterday. I skipped my video game stream. I was going to do Primal yesterday, but I had too much on my plate, and I normally don't have enough time to actually sit at my computer and check out this kind of streaming software and whatnot. Let's take one long here. We totally could continue to come down. I can totally see that. Let's just see if we can get a push back up to this resistance level. If not, that's fine. I'm trying to buy at the support. I didn't look too hard into it on the 5 minute or the 1 minute or anything. So yeah, only one lot though, so I'm only risking, I don't know, $40 on this one trade. So we're gonna see. But yeah, so I've had some technical difficulties this morning. I stayed up last night figuring out stream elements, and yeah, so I woke up literally 30 minutes ago. I woke up 20 minutes before market open. Flip red. I don't know if this looks too good for our position. I might, if I get kicked out, I might short. but I'm also at a resistance or support zone, so I don't know for sure if I would want to short, but let's look. Let's look at the hourly. We could still get a bounce. We still haven't had a close. We still got 20 minutes left in this hourly candle here. But we could continue downwards. Probably should have checked out Bookmap. I normally always try and look at Bookmap before I place trades on micro NASDAQ. I don't think I've been doing that lately. I'm going to switch over to crude real quick. Still not really doing much of anything since open. Just still chilling in limbo. And I don't even have an idea of a direction. We're down here in support. Kind of doesn't make me want to take a short. I don't want to short at support. But I also don't know how this looks. It does kind of look weak though. And that's like on the hourly or the hourly. There's a new high on this candle, but also a lower low. So we have a higher high and a higher low, or a lower low on this candle. So it's a pretty big candle. NASDAQ trades down 1%. NASDAQ still hanging out here in support zone. That's kind of looking good right there. Let's take 5. See if we get this push back up here. I'm not going to risk much on it. Don't like how that got slapped back down right there. I was 5 lots deep there, trying to make back some of my money on that one lot trade that I took. Had no clue if it worked. Well, it should have. I was up. I closed like 5 points profit, something like that. I can't do the math right now, but yeah. Yeah, I was hoping for a continued push upwards. We got it, and then once it started getting slapped, I wanted to keep my stop tight. I didn't want that was 5 lots, so I didn't want to risk much on that one at all. That's why I kept my stop loss at the 10-point stop loss. Yeah, that wasn't too great of a trade. I just tried to make a little bit of my money back, which I did. So now we're just going to kind of take it a little bit more slow and figure out what this market is doing. Because we know overnight it was weak, right? Will the weakness continue? Are we in a little time consolating, right? Basing? I don't know. We're in a consolating time right now. We could be in between the next move, you know. So we'll just have to see. Because we did get some movement overnight. We got to push up into the resistance area and got pushed all the way back down to support. I'm still liking the longs down here. And really, it's this daily that really is doing it for me on the longs. Getting close to 50 now. We have a lot of liquidity down here, which could act as support. We'll just have to see how it handles that. I haven't even checked out what kind of eco data we got coming out today. I'm all behind today, guys. This week I've been all behind all week. It just has Not been my week. I've been feeling real sluggish. It's been a good week. Don't get me wrong. It's a good week. Wholesale inventories month over month for February comes out in 15. We have the WASD report today. That comes out at 10. And Baker Hughes, of course. My screen just went off again. I'm looking here. If we can get the tip in to this 14,350 level, I might consider another long, but we haven't even tested it properly yet. We had a good flip though, good flip. The low for this candle was 14,359. So while this candle has rotated up and looks amazing, so we'll rotate from all the way down here to all the way up here in just a few moments. Look like we actually could be getting this. Yeah, okay. We're getting a decent push back into the 14,400s, and as soon as I say it, gets slapped down. But a proper retest of this 50 level, I see. Let's see. I'm going to try and play a retest of it down here. Don't like how it flipped. I was looking for the continuation. When it flipped on me, I got a little nervous. Oh, if I would have just held on, it's actually pushing down again. And again, I'm looking for that retest of the, or we haven't even properly tested 14,350 yet. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, I can't even tell you where I got in and got out. It's probably going to be easier if I show you here on Bookmap the thesis behind that trade. Close for just about break even there. I'm looking for a test of 50 right here. We never got it. We came 9 points away from properly testing it, but we still haven't actually touched it and tested it. So I'm looking for the rotation back down to 14,350. I don't know if it'll come. That was just the thesis behind my last trade. Oh, goodness, guys. I hope next week's a little better. I've been really lethargic this week. Fatigued, tired, lazy, everything. Everything. I've been everything. Yeah, I haven't felt much like motivation at all this week. My wife's been feeling the same way. A bunch of people we know also feeling it, so... yeah. It's been a week for a lot of people, it seems. Not just us. I'm going to switch over to crude candlestick chart. Getting a little bid now. Pushing up to this support level. Decent buy volume, nothing spectacular. I'm not seeing really any opportunities this morning. That's why I've only taken those, little tiny scalps. I haven't really seen anything. I haven't seen a proper trade. I see little scalps, but no targets really. Nothing like that. So. If there's nothing to trade, we just won't trade, right? It's the best thing to do. Still looking at crude, and I'm just not seeing anything. Nasdaq probably going to come get a proper test of the 50 level is what kind of what I'm imagining for the moment. Let's get 5 deep. See if we can get that proper retest. And oops. We're going to move this just up a hair. Not really enough to matter. I'm going to see if we get to push downwards. You know what? I don't like that. Look at this. I'm looking here at the 5-minute chart. We have a... No, I'm mislooking. My bad. Probably shouldn't have been looking at my 5-minute. Yeah, I'd be in that move right now. Yeah, I fucked up looking at that 5-minute. That's on me. That would I'd be up several points now, 15 or so. And see, this is what I mean. Let's see if we get this proper test. So my performance is not really well this morning. I can tell. So I'm going to sit back and try and sit on my hands a little bit more. I might even go as far as to call this morning session over soon. My performance isn't there today. You guys know my trading. I've taken a lot of trades and really haven't made much on them. If I would have taken the trade, if I would have just shorted one time up at the top right over here, when I was like, no, I want to get a proper test, right? If I would have taken that one short, that would have given me 60 points right there. But I had weak hands this morning, so then I just closed that one because on a smaller time frame, it looked like it was going to shake me out. So I closed it for just about break even, a little loss, little L. So I'm really not liking my performance today. I just woke up 20 minutes before market open. I don't think that was a good thing. I think I need to be up a little earlier than that. Because, look, we just flushed. If I had a runner on this bitch, my runner would be up almost 100 points from where I shorted up here. I shorted up at this candle not too long ago, just a moment ago, looking for the move back down. I got in somewhere right around here. My stop loss was above this that candle. But my chart looks like this. It means my performance isn't doing great. I'm taking a lot of small profits or small losses, and that's the way you lose by 1,000 cuts. So I might not do this trade much longer. I can tell my performance isn't as good as it needs to be. So we're just we'll probably just hang out for a bit. Yeah, I'm currently an $80 loss on the session, and I really don't want to be more than that. I don't mind a bigger loss if I'm actually in the proper mindset of trading, I suppose, but I don't think I'm in the proper mindset today. Like I said, it's just been my week, and this right here, I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. I'm taking way too many trades so far today. So probably did it to myself when I didn't wake up earlier. So I might not do this too much longer. I had a great position here and I just couldn't hold it. Just could not hold it. So I guess I'm feeling a little scatterbrained today. Got the donkey brains this morning. You guys know about donkey brains, right? Because that's what I got this morning. I gotta fucking stream Green Hell today. It's a pretty challenging game. I gotta look up a little bit of a guide. That way, I'm not on stream for 4 hours trying to figure out what to do next. Because I would. Let me see something. Okay. Okay. New book. This walkthrough isn't telling me nothing. Where's IGN? I think they're going to be the only ones that actually have a real walkthrough. Even IGN doesn't have a walkthrough. Where did I see this walkthrough before? NQ trading below prior session low. It is. I found like somewhat of a review last week. I can't find anything now, so I'm gonna be on my own. It appears I am going to be on my own. It'll just be me and the viewers stumbling around the Amazon rainforest. I really want to do 4 hours. I feel like my 4 hour streams get more views, but 4 hours is a long time to stream. I hate to be doing that. Oh, guys, I hope I come back better next week. It's just I don't know, just been dead this week. No motivation. Several days I didn't even feel like trading. I never feel like not trading. I this is full time, you know. Every day I'm here trading. I haven't even really felt like trading this week. I mean, I haven't done too bad. I've had a couple of good winners. I think I'm still at an L on the week, but I haven't been a terrible week, you know. We're getting a bounce right here. Look at that. So we didn't close. We couldn't close below the prior session low. That could be some strength for us. I'd love for this thing just to like rotate all the way back up here so I can take a long. I tell you what though, I think I've had less technical difficulties this week though. No, I've still had them. Don't get me wrong. I've had plenty of technical difficulties. I don't think they've been as much or as often this week as they have been. We're about to continue upwards here. We're gonna get slapped back down. Yeah, we're gonna kind of feel like we're gonna push above here. Feel like we're gonna break this area right here. Tell you what, I'm a little sleepy too. Yeah, looking pretty good. Could be breaking out here. About to get a wick test here though at 14,360. We'll see how it handles that wick test. Let's get in for this wick test. Oh, you guys can't see. So you see this wick right here. That's kind of what I'm looking at. I'm gonna see if we can, if it'll push back down from here. Nah, it's looking pretty strong actually. Yeah, looking decently strong. I think I'm about to get stopped out here. Yeah. Alright, that's fine. Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. My performance really isn't there today, guys. I'm probably better off just killing the stream and trying to come back more refreshed Monday. I just feel, I don't know, I feel so dead this week. Music stopped. I don't think Crude has been doing too much. Well, it tried to break out there. Just so jumbled. Let's get in here for a low risk entry. Yeah, this is going to be it for me today, guys. Yeah, I'm not seeing this shit properly. I should have killed it like 20 minutes ago when I was talking about killing the stream. Alright, guys. That's going to be it for me today. I am going to go chill, try and wake up a little bit. I feel dead. I got another stream starting in 2 hours.